let us now create the custom fields in Jira. So for that you can open any of your project page. So in the top right corner we have a profile, right? To the left of it we have settings. These are Jira admin settings. In that settings, click on work items. So this page will get opened. In this left side we have fields, right? So click on that fields. As we are creating our own custom fields, we have to click on the fields, and on the top right corner we have create new field option. So in the create new field you have to create new field. For example, we have here different kinds of fields: checkboxes, date picker, date time picker, labels, number field, paragraph. So I'll click on checkboxes. So what is this field called? I'll call checkboxes itself. If you want to write, you can write any of the description. And for example, options also, I'll keep option 1, option 2, and the same option 3. Okay, fine. Yes, I'll click on create. So here if you can see, checkboxes is ready to use. So it was created. So you just click on this three buttons and click on add field to screen. If you can see here, we have the option called add field to screen. So click on that. So this page will get opened. In this page you have to click on default screen option. Okay, and then just update the screen. That's it, the screen has been updated. Now you can go back, to Jira. We are working on project 2, right? So in the project 2, open the space settings and then work types, for example epic or task, whatever you want, you can go ahead. So yes, here we have different kinds of fields. For example, assignee, labels, parent, due date, team, start date. All these we have. Summary, description, all these we have. So if you want to search for any of your fields, for example, if you want, you can create the field here also. For example, paragraph. Name of that particular field. I'll keep the same, paragraph. If you want to describe anything, you can describe. So or else just save the changes. Work type has been updated. Task has successfully updated, right? So yes, after the summary we have got paragraph. Okay, I'll click on create. For the task it has been updated. For the task, work type, for the task. So for the work type task, here we have got the extra field called paragraph, right? So this is how we can able to update the fields, right? For example, I'll go to subtask. Here for example, in task I have paragraph here. In description fields I have paragraph here, but in subtask I don't have paragraph here, right? So I will just create the field here. For example, I want to create checkbox. Name of the field, checkbox. If you want to describe anything you can, or else you just have to give the options. For example, option 2, option 3, like that you can give, and just click on save changes. So work type updated, subtask has successfully updated. So in subtask we have got checkbox as output, right? So if you want to drag this checkbox to anywhere, you can go ahead and drag. Before the start date I have kept for the subtask. Okay, so task type, For the subtask, we have kept this checkbox. Okay, this checkbox as a field, right? So this is how you can update. For example, I'll go to Epic, and I want this checkbox in the Epic also. So after the due date, I'll keep this checkbox. Okay, and I'll save the changes. Epic has successfully updated. So when I click on create task type as Epic, so where I have kept after the due date, I have kept. So after the due date, if you can see here, we have got the checkbox. So how many options you want to check, you can check. For radio buttons, only one option. For checkbox, you can click multiple options, right? So yes, this is how we can create our own custom fields.